this is the first outdoor ride that I've done in quite some time. So, and I picked a doozy. It's gonna be 110 miles that we are going from downtown Greensboro to downtown Danville, Virginia and back. So should be a lot of fun, and hopefully I don't bring the struggle bus. No, hopefully. So after a quick drive to Greensboro, we all meet up at Sticks and Stones, which is one of our favorite pizza places. From there, we headed out of town and started making our way to Danville, Virginia. So the route today is Greensboro to Danville and back to Greensboro. This is a 110-mile trip, and we'll start off in the Lindley Park area near UNCG. We will work our way through several counties till we cross over the Virginia state line. Once in Danville, we'll hit the Greenway and have a quick snack, refuel, and everything by the Danville River, turn around, and work our way back to Greensboro. The elevation profile shows that we're working our way kind of downhill to the Dan River in Danville. By the time we get back home, we will have acquired 4,750 feet of elevation gained. Into Virginia, and now pretty much in Danville. So barely making it. We're up north from Greensboro, so going south it's all downhill, right? Maybe. Let's see how that works out. So just about halfway through, we make our first store stop where we pick up some stuff to take down to the river and enjoy a quick little refuel and break. So we're gonna go down to this park, and apparently we're gonna meet Cam here, who's gonna ride back with us, or he's already up here with Aaron doing some mountain biking stuff, I think, or racing or something or other. So we're gonna have fresh legs on the way back. Thanks, Cam. Looks like lunch break's over. The group has left me, and I now gotta have to play catch up down by the river. This is the point where I realize I may have not have fed my body enough during this ride. The pace, 19.3 miles per hour, 62 miles in, and I was starting to bonk. Trying to get it on camera. I am over this ride. 10 more miles, and then it's beer time. Hey Cam, what time is it?
Beer time.
Well, not right now, but what time will it be?
Oh, I thought it was beer time.
Oh, it is beer. No, it's nap time. Then it'll be beer time.
It's gonna be beer time.
Nap pace, right? So 110 miles. Took a little under 6 hours to do, and I'm sure I left my soul somewhere between Danville, Virginia and Greensboro, North Carolina. At a hot pace of 19.3 miles per hour, this was no easy ride. And that beer at the end was so deserved. So those of you out there that do endurance rides, long rides, 100+ mile rides and things like that, what do you do for nutrition on the bike? What do you do for nutrition leading up? Leave a comment and let me know how you handle this. Go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hopefully I will catch you on the next adventure. Cheers.